So I got an email on Monday that says YouTube is releasing a handy feature, and that is YouTube handles. So to explain what the current ongoing issue is in the YouTube comment section, I'm going to make a quick comparison to Twitter. So currently on Twitter, when you make an account, you get a handle, and that is globally unique on the platform. And now back on YouTube, when you have a channel, you can then set a channel name, and that name is not unique across the platform. So if you wanted to right now, you could go ahead and create a YouTube channel, name it Side of Burritos. You could even take my profile picture, throw it on the channel, and you could start leaving comments that look like I wrote them. Other YouTubers have made videos on these topics showing how their accounts can be impersonated to try and trick and phish users into messaging random Telegram numbers where they then go ahead and actually scam the user. And from the user perspective, I can kind of see how that'd be pretty easy to fall for at first. You see a message from a creator who you're following, especially on a larger channel like that, you might forget to think that maybe you are being phished or tricked. You go ahead and message the link that's posted, and before you know it, you're sending money to some random address. So yes, this is a large problem when you have a massive platform with over 2 billion monthly users, and there is no unique identifier for anyone. So once handles are officially rolled out, you'll have an easy way to validate exactly who is posting a comment, and since they are globally unique on the platform, there will be no more impersonating when it comes to handles at least. So from a security perspective, I'm pretty excited for this feature. I think it's going to help a lot, at least to confirm the authenticity of comments on the platform. And on an unrelated note, if you can handle it, I have a somewhat weekly newsletter that I send out, which you can sign up for on my website at sideofburritos.com.